Hey everybody, it's Mac here, and we are doing special situations on factoring, okay? And we were kind of talking about this in the last one, and so we're just going to do a few more to get more practice in them, okay? So there was a version A, there was a video of me talking about how to do this, and it's all found at maxtutorials.com. If you find this valuable, please like, subscribe, see more of my videos, go to the website, and let me know, make a comment, let me know that I'm helping you. All right. So this first one, what I notice is I take a look at the third term, and I see that the square root, if I square root this and I double it, it's going to become the middle. When that happens, you take the sign of the middle, which is going to be plus, and you just take the square root, or you write it like this, x plus 2 quantity squared. Let's look at number 2. On these, if it's a perfect square minus a perfect square, you just square root both, and then you change signs. And I showed y in A, so go back if you want to see the y. Now on this one, remember, see if this fits the pattern. First of all, remember, it has to be a plus on the third term. If that's a minus on the third term, it doesn't fit. Okay, square root of 16 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. That's the pattern. So you're going to go x, the square root, and the middle term, quantity squared. This one, perfect square minus perfect square, square root, change the signs. This one, is it in the pattern? What's the square root of 64? 8. What's 8 times 2? 16. Put in the square root. Use the sign of the middle. Quantity squared. Number 6. Perfect square minus a perfect square. Put the square root of the left, put the square root of the right, and plus minus. Let's go on to number 7. It's a plus on the third term. Square root of 49 is 7. 7 times 2 is 14. Therefore, it is in the trinomial square position. So I'm going to put my x and my 7, and I'm going to use the sign of the middle. This one is a perfect square minus a perfect square. We want to start to recognize as perfect squares if you haven't already. Okay, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64. Where do I stop at? 49, 64, 81, 100, 121, 144, 169, 196, 225. So that's up to 15. So start to recognize those. This one, square root of 36 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. So that fits the pattern. This one, x. Oh, let me do this, sorry. An x, 9 and 9. I'm going to go plus and minus. If you missed some of my earlier videos, I just want to do this one the long way. If you looked at every other way I've done this, third term is positive, so my signs are the same, and I take the sign of the middle number. What multiplies to 9 and adds to 6? 3 and 3. Now that you see that they're both the same, it's going to turn out to be like that, and that's how they work. Now, I'm just showing you that you can do a shortcut, but that's the long way. If you don't get the shortcut, and that's freaking you out, do it the long way, because the long way really isn't all that long. Perfect square, change the signs. Okay, number 13, square root of 81 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18, so this fits. X plus 9, quantity squared. Number 14, I'm going to square the left. I'm going to square the right, and the sign's different. Okay, number 15 here, square root of 25 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. That means it fits the pattern. X, middle sign, minus 5, quantity squared. Number 16, square the left, square the right, different signs. Number 17, square root of 100 is 10. 10 times 2 is 20. It fits the pattern. X plus 10, quantity squared. Number 18, perfect square minus a perfect square. X and x, square root, plus minus. Number 19, 121, square root is 11. 11 times 2 is 22. This fits the pattern. So we're just going to write x and 11, quantity squared, take the sign of the middle, which is negative. 20, we're going to do this, perfect square minus a perfect square, square the left, square the right, signs are different. And that's how we do these special situations. Okay? Let's do one more. Let's see if they get a little bit trickier in version C.